Man, that's a beautiful, beautiful view of the skyline of downtown Wilmington. Just don't look at that because we're going to tear that down and rebuild it, and it's going to be a beautiful thing right there. Hey, good people. Welcome to this version of Better Hoods and Gardens. We hope y'all had a beautiful day today. It's a little cold, not as bad as it was yesterday, but we want to give you a quick overview of our pre-inspection walkthrough. Let me show you what we did so far. So far, we framed out this back. We call this a sunroom. We're going to have a deck here, so you'll be able to come out in your sunroom on the deck, enjoy the view. We got our electric ran. We had to lower the ceiling so we can get our insulation in there. We got our low E gas-filled argon windows, and we got our security lock right here. Okay? We got our insulation all ready to go. When you come in here, we're going to have an L-shaped kitchen. We're going to run this way, corner sink, come this way, your refrigerator with your water. Over here, we're going to have our washer and dryer hookup. And this is our first bedroom. So we're going to have spacious closets with overhead storage. And we're going to have a barn door sliding here for your bedroom. If you look above, you'll see the ductwork for the HVAC system. So we'll have 4 recessed lights and 1 ceiling fan in this bedroom. As you come down the hallway, this is where the heater room is going to be. And this is the main bathroom for the second floor unit. We're going to have emergency shut-off valves right here for the plumbing. We have a 36 by 60 shower. We're going to have a 36-inch sink over here with backlit mirrors. Frosted glass for privacy. That's the throne. Here we're going to have a closet for your linens. Nice sized bathroom. Over here is another bedroom. Look how spacious these bedrooms are. 3 windows for a lot of natural light. Closet space with overhead storage. And we'll turn this heater off. Once again, another barn door right here. This will be your living room area. Once again, you have 3 windows there, 1 there, to let a lot of natural light in. And you have your electrical panel over there for emergency shutoffs. Let's take a walk downstairs. So tell me something. How much do you think an apartment like this should rent for? Remember, you're going to have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer, deck with an awesome view. Everything brand new. We still have to change this door. Don't worry about that. We'll come out. And come in on this side. So as you come in here, you're going to have your living room. We have 2 hits for your heat. We got 9-foot ceilings. We have a ceiling fan with recessed lighting. Your electrical panel box is right there. We cut this corner on this hallway to give you a little bit more space. You have your bedroom right here. Once again, 9-foot ceilings. Closets with overhead storage. Plenty of light. This is bedroom number 1. We have our return duct for our central air. We have all our piping in for our HVAC system. Here's bedroom number 2. Once again, 3 windows, plenty of light. Nice size bedroom. Ceiling fan, 4 recessed lights. Then you can look in here, we have our shower pan, 36 by 60. We had to close this window up for privacy reasons. And we're going to have our toilet and our sink right there with a backlit mirror. Overhead exhaust. As you come around here, we're going to have our kitchen again, L-shaped kitchen, refrigerator, cabinet, corner sink, cabinet, stove, another cabinet. We have our HVAC ductwork already installed. Over here, you're going to have your washer and dryer connection. It's going to get exhausted out the building. Back here is the second sunroom on the first floor. Is off, right? And then you open this door up, and it'll be a deck out here also. So this is where you're going to be able to park your cars. That building's going to be knocked down and redone. So don't forget, leave in the comments what you think that an apartment like this should go for, and maybe we'll take it into consideration before we rent it out. Like, subscribe, and share on YouTube, Better Hoods and Gardens TV. Peace.